Howdy doody. Not uploaded anything for quite a while. Yeah, we've got problems here, but anyway, that's not really to do with you, but anyway. Yeah, for those who've been following me and anything, I apologise again, but it's unavoidable. So I haven't been able to get out into the van or anything really. Just come out just for like an hour, say Sandra's at hospital or anything like that. It's not to do with Sandra. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, I've done bits. Well, I've done a lot really, but just doing bits and bats as I can. I'll show you anyway. Right. Oh dear. Right, I've got some boarding up. Now you know what colour it's going to be. Done the kitchen cabinets, bathroom, toilet's half in. Well, it's in, but it needs tidying up around it. Them are the things I've painted. They actually look better on video than they do in real life. Ooh, just looking at them through video then, eh? Right, yeah, electrical cup, that's in. Spaghetti junction here, I'm going to be doing that. I can't do it tomorrow because I'm at hospital with Sandra. As I say, it's not to do with Sandra, but anyway, yeah. What else have I done? Oh, I've done that. Put the trim all round. I've also done a bit of cab. Looks alright, doesn't it? Looks cool. Yeah. I'm going to put that up in a bit. Yeah. So, that's about it really. Everything's just a mess. Yeah, I'm going to put that up now. This here. I'll show you anyway when I've done it. Right, I've just put that piece on. Not too bad, does it? Well, nice with cushions there. Cushions. Right, I am wrapping up now. Because Sandra is due home. Yeah, like I say, there's not much to tell you. No, not